one of my favourite pubs is the Coach and Horses in Dumfries, and I sing in there with my band quite often. And I was asking the landlady, was there any stories attached to, or about Robert Burns attached to the building? And he lived round the corner for a while with Jean. And when he was an excise man, and Muirland Meg is a song that is attributed to the place. And I thought, who was Muirland Meg? What's her story? And I went down a rabbit hole researching, because upstairs in that building it was a brothel. So, and in the song Muirland Meg, it mentions that she's 13, and it shocked me. And I thought, she has been groomed into this business. And when I did the research, it kind of became more and more apparent what her story was likely to be. So this is Atween the Lines of Muirland Meg. Her floor was sold when she was only 13, and broken for coins she would never have seen. Tied to the bawdhouse, and yet imprisoned by debt. Meg's cage lies open, but she cannae flee yet. Men lust and sing after this bonny new bird. She teases them weel, and she kens the richt words. When you're feared to the prison, it's easy to please. And debt to the bawdhouse keeps you down on your knees. And it wouldna matter the dark she put in. The bawdhouse manny is coin in a tin. Her body is property. He keeps renting it out. And all Meg'll get is a manky sheep's clout. 100 year on, they still sing along. For a sheep's clout she'll do it, and do it till morn. I'll sing your worth, Meg, atween all the lines. You were a bairn, a woman, a goddess divine.